Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer chicken breast with Kellogg's Corn Flakes Crumbs. Let's begin. We'll need 1 cup of Kellogg Corn Flakes Crumbs. Let's open it up. We're gonna open it up. Okay, we opened it up. We'll need around 1 cup. There you go, that's 1 cup. Since the Kellogg's Corn Flakes breadcrumbs don't have seasoning to it, we're just going to add some garlic salt. We're going to add around ½ tablespoon. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. ½ teaspoon of paprika. ½ tablespoon of onion powder. Mix in the seasoning with the breadcrumbs. Make sure to stir it up evenly. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. For the chicken breast, we're just going to add a little bit of garlic salt to it. Just a little bit, not too much. On both sides. Just lightly. There we go. And next, we're going to add some rosemary. You want the rosemary to have some contact with the chicken. Turn it over, do the same thing. There we go. We'll need 2 eggs. 1, 2. Beat it up real quick. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put that to the side. Next, we'll need a ½ cup of all-purpose flour. There you go, that's ½ cup. The first thing we're going to do is dip the chicken breast in the all-purpose flour. There we go. Then dip it into the egg wash. Then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. There we go, that's 1. Okay, looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 370 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the chicken breast. But before we put in the chicken breast, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There you go. We're going to spray just a little bit of cooking oil onto the chicken. Turn it around, do the same thing. Okay, we sprayed cooking oil on both sides of the chicken breast, and now let's put it in. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Looking good. And now let's put it in. We're going to set it to 370 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far at 370 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip it over. Looking good so far. Just make sure they're spaced out evenly. There we go. Now let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 20 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Okay, let's check the internal temperature of the chicken. And it's above 165 degrees, and we're set. Okay, let's cut one open. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer chicken breast with Kellogg's Corn Flakes Crumbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.